section. And this exercise, instead of the dozer push, it's been loaded into trucks because the area of fill is farther away than the other location where you had an immediate cut and an immediate fill. So when you have an area where you have cut and fill, it's not economical to push, cut, push and fill. You use the dozer to do the cutting and push the fill. So now we have excavator here. That's the Gordon 215G Cat 215G LC. Now there's another truck standing by to be loaded after this one leaves. We have the truck now backing up. We have